Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Francis Ray Trinidad from BSMT2Y1-10. Ngayon, meron tayo ditong problem. Yung 94 degree, ito yung gyro heading niya, tsaka yung magnetic heading niya is 91. Tapos itong lighthouse naman, yung true bearing niya is 52 degree at tsaka yung gyro bearing niya is 55 degree. So, we have our given. So, kukunin natin yung gyro error. First, yung true bearing natin sa lighthouse is 52 degree, and then our gyro bearing which is 55 degree. So nakikita nyo, malaki yung gyro bearing, which is yung compass natin. So which means gamitin natin yung compass best, error west. So mas malaki siya, ima-minus natin siya, which is 3. Tapos ang gagamitin natin is west. Yan, meron na tayong gyro error. Tapos ngayon, kunin naman natin yung true heading niya. Meron tayong gyro heading natin, which is 94 degree. Tsaka yung gyro error natin, which is 3 degree. West. So, ito naman dito, ang ginamit natin yung cadet, which is true heading ang hinahanap natin, add east. So, ito naman ay west. Ganun, ma-minus natin sila, which is 89 degree. So, mas malaki siya, ibig sabihin, S na to. Ito na yung true heading natin. Tapos ngayon, mayroon na tayong true heading tsaka magnetic heading. Hanapin naman natin yung compass error nya. Yung true heading is 89 degree S. Tsaka yung magnetic natin is 91. So kung napapansin nyo dito, malaki na naman yung magnetic heading nya, which is yung gagamitin natin is compass best, error west. Ibig sabihin nun, mas malaki yung magnetic heading, ma-minus natin siya, degree west, kasi mas malaki yung magnetic heading natin. So meron na tayong compass error. So since meron na tayong compass error, kunin naman natin yung variation. So yung annual correction natin is 2017 3 minutes west. So 2017, ma-minus natin yung present year natin, which is 2023. So 6 minutes west. Tapos yung 6 minutes west, ita-times natin sa 3. So times 3 minutes is 18 west. So since minutes pa to, para makuha natin yung degree, i-divide natin to, so 60. Yung answer is 0.3 degree west. Ito na yung total correction natin. So since meron na tayong variation, kunin naman natin yung present variation. So yung 0.3 degree west times natin siya sa ating compass error, which is 2 degree. Which is yung answer is 1.7 degree west. West to So since meron na tayong, ito na yung present variation natin. So pag kukunin naman natin yung deviation. So yung deviation natin, yung gagawin natin, yung compass error, which is 2 degree west, i-add natin yung present variation natin, yung 1.7. So since parehas na sila ng sign, wala na tayong i-cancel out, i-add na lang natin sila. Tapos yung, which is yung sagot is 3.7 degree west. Yan na yung deviation natin.